Another node is softclip. This node is working exactly like clip, but more smoother and softer. For example, right click and insert a mountain. This is our mountain. For it, I can activate auto level. And as you can see, this is our level and it's the height. Then you can clip it. You can add a plateau, for example, max clip. You can change it. As you can see, it cut that. Or you can clip minimum of that. As you can see, it's clipped the bottom of that. You can clip it there. But you can do it more softer with more settings with soft clip. You can connect the output of the mountain to the soft clip, input of the soft clip, or you can use a mask if you want, for example. And as you can see, it's softly exactly clip above threshold. This isn't threshold. It's actually in which height do you want to cut your mountain? More higher, more clip. This is it. This isn't threshold. Above threshold or below threshold. And as you can see, it clipped this part, bottom of the mountain. Nice. Below that. And here you can change the height of the clips. How soft this action doing, more soft, more harder, and 100% clip. It means 100% cut or less. As you can see, we have clipped, but you can see a little bit details at the clip part. 100% completely flat or a little detail that you want to cut. We cut and how the detail about that. That's it. Hello my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.